Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to add your own audio into the TikTok application. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your TikTok application right here, and after that you just need to sign or log in with your account. And please take a look on this bottom sections. There will be like 5 sections right here. So if you want to add your own song, you need to create the new content first by click this plus button, and that will bring you into the TikTok camera. So you can just either use the photo or the video with the specific duration of the time, and then you just need to start record. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button.
If you look for it.
Now you just need to add sounds here. Magnifier icon and go move into your sounds. You can choose either import sounds from the video, or you already have the sounds on your phone. If you already have the sounds on your phone, you just need to go click this, and you just need to pick the sounds that you have been imported. But then if you want to choose the import sound from the video, now you just need to go click it, and the TikTok will bring you into your video collections on your phone, and you just need to pick one of them and go click import sounds from the video, and then you just need to go click it. And you're done. So that is the way how to add your own song into the TikTok application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys, and I'll see you for the next video.